Good morning. Welcome back. Let me get the serial number real good here. Okay. So what we're having is an issue with the vac motor breaker blowing. And customer actually has a rep that goes from site to site. And they showed me where the, here's where part of the breaker was located. So what we're seeing is some high current, and that's typically caused by a motor failure and or lots of exposure to moisture and not evacuating the moisture from the vac motor inside. So it's always suggested that when you're done using a scrubber, just let the vac motor run for about a minute or so, and you can get all that moisture out of the exhaust, which collects in here, and you can avoid any type of issues. But I'm going to take a look at the vac motor as well inside. So I disconnected the vac wiring, and now here we go. Here's some big issues. Now that's probably why we're having some issues. So I got to replace the fuse inside here, and I got to replace these connectors, and I'll put my own connectors on here, some quick disconnects. And I'm trying to recall if this was a newer vac motor I may have replaced within the last year or two. It's just hard. I didn't see any history on the serial number, but I know it's in our database somewhere. So that's another discovery right there. So we're losing continuity, and that's creating a high current situation, which you see right there. I replaced the connectors on the vac motor directly. These are quick disconnects, just like the others, but just a different color. I got my clamp meter ready to go to test the current going through the motor. And then we repaired the inside here. So I got new connectors, a new fuse with some shrink tubing so it'll all stay together. But it's just laying inside here. It's not going to go anywhere. So we're powering it on. 20 amps. Perfect. So the vac motor was replaced by myself. I kind of looked at it, and it doesn't have that much time on it. So I talked to the staff here that they should be careful when the water level gets high in the tank, and as they're turning, that vacuum motor is going to suck water in there. So it's the best thing for them to do is to, after finishing and rinsing out the tank, turn on the vac motor for about a minute or two to get all the water to deposit in this container here, which will evaporate over time, and you can extend the life of the vac motor.